Hey, what is going on guys? Tech Enthusiast here, and this is a speed test comparison between the Huawei Mate 20 Pro against the iPhone XS Max. So it's going to be the new Kirin 980 going up against Apple's A12 Bionic. Which of these two phones will come out on top? Let's find out in this video. Up first is the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. It has a Quad HD screen, it's on the latest version of Android 9 Pie. It has the new Kirin 980 CPU and the Mani G76 GPU and 6GB of RAM. Then we have the iPhone XS Max. It has a Super Retina display. It's on the latest version of iOS 12. It has the new A12 Bionic CPU and in-house GPU and 4GB of RAM. Just before running this test, you can see there are no apps and games running in the background. In round 1, the Mate 20 Pro wins by 4 points. Moving on to round 2, the RAM management. Here you can see all of the apps and games are running in the background. So in round 2, the Mate 20 Pro wins by 2 points. Moving on to Geekbench for benchmark, the Mate 20 Pro scored less than the iPhone X Max in the single core and the multi-core scores, but not by a huge margin. However, on the compute side, the iPhone XS Max scored way higher, more than double than the Mate 20 Pro. So that is the end of this speed test comparison, and here are the results at a glance. In round 1, the Mate 20 Pro won by 4 points. In round 2, the Mate 20 Pro won again by 2 points. On the Geekbench 4 side, the Mate 20 Pro fell short in the single core and multi-core scores, nothing major. However, when it came to the compute side, the iPhone XS Max scored way higher. So what did you think of this speed test comparison? Do let me know in the comment section. If you have enjoyed this video, then please give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, then please do consider subscribing, as I'm planning to get more phones including the Pixel 3 and the OnePlus 6T. So you will see speed tests and camera comparisons. So make sure you have that bell icon enabled. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.